Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning. AKN, we have a kind of breakout and fake out. The price is still holding the support, so it's still okay. N or INHD looking pretty nice. We have a perfect test around the 107. We've got NIVF gravitating up from the last week. We got DJT pulling back a bit from the 44. We got PEGY, SPFM, CGC still holding the support. Let us check if we got something very quick here. Yeah, we have a slow market for today. Slow market. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Let me just check if we got something there. ARQQ. ARQQ. Why we don't have this? Let's see if we got something on this one. It's pulling back. It's pulling back big time here. We've got two support for it. Let's see if we have a target for this one. Yeah, the target is around this level, the 87. We almost tested. Yeah, this one could be good. The price is not too expensive like the other one. It's kind of recovering from big short after the earnings. And now it's 33. Yeah, this one looking okay. We have IBRX. I think it is on my other list. IBRX, nope. IBRX. But in general, guys, the market is a bit slow. Oh man, this one looking pretty nice now. Yeah, pretty nice. It's not bad. We've got the target is about to get hit at the moment. Yes, we've got this level as well. So IBRX, IBRX, not bad. Not bad trend here. We might have the 895. How everybody doing? Let me just check this code if we got PHIA. PHIA. Is it on the French market? PHIA. Phillips, yes. Has an average rating of buy price target ranging coded to this. Okay. Think that is the French one. The trends. Is that, I don't know if it's that the one, because you give me like 160 and 235. PHIA. I kind of feel doubt if that the one. I couldn't find it, brother. If this is the one, it's kind of really tricky. It's not a unicorn because the job that we did today or the from Friday, I think, or Thursday, it's kind of shady. So let us go back to IBRX. Let me know if you can hear me, everybody. If you can hear me all right. What group is this? Robert Rodolph. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Anyway, so IBRX, we're still on the lookout for IBRX. We have ARQQ still holding the support, AKAN. This one got a breakout, but pulled back. So this one we'll watch for another retest for the 17 and then 24. This one could be good for today, everybody. Still not bad. We're still holding the support, the 1136. So take this out. INHD, let me just check this one as well. This one is pulling back as well. We have a kind of pullback market. Let us check more on the other crypto stocks. 3% down for Mara. Coinbase pulling back 2%, right? 3%. This is normal because we getting near this resistance for all of them. So that's why we've got a pullback. AMC and GameStop still consolidating just below the resistance. We have NEO doing all right. So EV stocks, guys, is performing really good, especially for Tesla, guys. Everybody buying Tesla. The bottom is started to have a huge squeeze, Tesla. So guys, watch out. Tesla is breaking a resistance, doing 11%, guys. 11% for today. This is really great performance right now for Tesla. It's not bad. Now it's going toward the critical level for today. For my opinion, Tesla have a huge test for today around 205. Yeah, what a nice reversal for Tesla. Let me just put support everybody for Tesla. If you want to trade Tesla 159, guys, this is the current support for today. We got current resistance around the 205. And target, let me just check how much we can do here. 27, too much. So I'm gonna put it here, 228. After that, 265. And of course, after that, the 298. So below the 300. Let me just take this out. So yeah, Tesla started to reverse, everybody. Not bad, not bad after the earnings. What a nice, pretty nice reversal, to be honest. Yeah, not bad. Look at that. Big buyer here after the earnings, and another big buyer came here. So 11% there, or 13%, and now 11%, and we might have a phenomenal day for Tesla, or even week to go toward a 205. Chris said he can't hear me. Guys, let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me, and I will refresh everything just in case. Let me refresh. Right. So guys, as we said, Tesla, we have the 159, the current support at least for this week. Current resistance for the day is the 205 because we already broke this current resistance, guys. That's why we have a big FOMO right now after we broke the 183. So Tesla looking good. NEO is getting near the breakout zone for today and this month around the 479 as we discussed. That's why it jumped 4%. So NEO have a chance to do a really good gain here, almost 33%, because we see a bit of FOMO for EV stocks, guys. IBRX. Let's go back to the unicorn. ARQQ broke the support. You see, after we broke the support, we have a big flush down. So what we should do for this stock, guys, I don't like the trend anymore. You see this wick, man, look at this pullback, big pullback. So this one would be really interesting for today if we broke the 87. Now is a bit risky because we might have the pump and dump situation. You see here, this is the pump and this is a dump. So we're gonna confirm the dump for today if we broke the 55. So there's a chance for entry, guys. There is always a chance for re-entry. If we broke this resistance, we might have a re-entry situation here. Let me just put, yeah, this one, I will watch it for entry around the 55. Otherwise, will be a flush. So I'm gonna risk a bit for ARQQ. Let me just see. ARQQ. Let's see if we could have an entry for it around this dip. So I'm watching for a dip for ARQQ, guys, over the 55. And exiting around the 16. Let me just check how much we could risk and gain for this trade. Yeah, 8%, and we could risk 3%. So this one is a dip buying strategy. We could have a good entry for this dip and exit very quick because I don't trust it so far here. You see here we have a bit of reversal, but the short added again. We have a 6% reversal. Now the price pumped down. We might dip a little more before a reversal. So this is the trick. Sometimes we get reversal before even the 55. AKAN looking all right. And HD, nothing much. IBRX is still holding. IBRX is a bit shady here because if we entered, yeah, this is still good. We could risk 4% and gain 6% or something. So I might go to IBRX right now. Let me just check ARQQ. If it go down, maybe I will get with little entry for this one fast for ARQQ. And the other one is that we have to watch out for is IBRX, guys. We might have an entry for it as well. IBRX looking pretty great here. Let me just check for IBRX if we could have a quick entry and exit. Target right now before the market open is the 895. ARQQ doing all right for reversal. If we reverse until this level, guys, the 62 would be a good exit before another pump down to test the 55 and maybe flush down. So now is the turning point to test this level around the 62. Would be great if we have this quick reversal. Yeah, snatch 5% would be good. IBRX try to have a new high here. ARQQ. So we have two trade guys, ARQQ and IBRX. And of course AKN, but this one I don't trust that much. ARQ, we need to have the 60 now. This is the turning point. If we saw the 60, we're gonna have the 62. This would be a turning point. ARQQ, we have a nice jump in the pre-market. Short entered around the 80, we pulled back, and now there's a chance for reversal. Nice, 59, 59, 59, getting near the 60. Yeah, let me just see. What's the 57? Okay, now is around 59. So we might have a dip right now. We entered around the 57. It's kind of tricky right now. I might exit, guys, to take a little profit here because I entered with big position. Okay, I took little profit here. Let's see if we're gonna break this level right now because I spotted a seller around the 60 cent. That's why we have a struggle here. So we entered around the 57 and we took a bit of profit here around the 59. Now we'll wait. If we broke the 60, would be good for another jump at least toward the 62. IBRX pulled back, so we have a resistance there. Yeah, around the $8.60. Support still around the 11 or 8.11. ARQQ, we might have the breakout now. ARQQ, we might have the break. Let's see. ARQQ still below the 60. Okay, 60 is a strong level. Let's see if we're gonna break it. Still, we didn't. Wow, 60 is the level that we should break. ARQQ, everybody. Trying to break the 60. Okay. 60 cents. What's gonna be, everybody? Are we gonna break? Wow, still fighting. Still fighting. Let's see if we got something moving right now, because we might see some news. DCPH just hit the scan right now. A huge volatility here. Let's go for this one. Okay, I think it's offering, guys. Buyout. Yes, not good. Stay away from DCPH, guys. Stay away from this one. ARQQ looking interesting, guys, to break the 60. If we don't break right now, we'll wait to buy the dip here instead around the 55. If we broke, it would be good entry after the 60, because we could take profit around the 62. After that, 67, 72. We have three targets. But now is struggling. Great. Sen got his audio back. In IVF, nothing much. We've got support technically over the 184 for today. Resistant to break for this one is around the 240, almost the $2.40. Yeah, target is the 287 and $3.90. So yeah, in IVF we should hold the 184. IBRX pulling back. ARQQ pulling back as well, guys. This is normal. Pulling back just right around the 60 cent. ZVSA. ZVSA. ZVSA jumping 38%. It's $6 is a bit expensive here. We had the reverse split back in April. Yeah, just a few days ago, 1 to 10. So this is a reverse split squeeze. Reverse split squeeze for ZVSA. Let's see if we continue to have this momentum, because usually the gas for those stocks run out after they hit a major gravity shift. Usually a lot of stocks don't orbit. They don't go on the orbit. They just go on the first or the second stratosphere, then they lose energy and go back to Earth to crash. Hopefully this one will not be one of them. ZVSA looking really good, guys, to break from the 728. IBRX is gravitating around the $8.11. ARQQ, guys, you see what's happened here? We talk about the 60, and this is was the resistance, so it was clear resistance. That's why we exited very quickly. Now I'm waiting for another dip around the 55 for another entry, guys. Here will be quick entry as well. ARQQ looking pretty nice. However, if we broke the 60 now, we might have an entry. So ARQQ is still looking good. IBRX still looking good because we're still holding the 811. Breakout 860 or even profit taken. and then the 895 and the 988. Let's see, ARQQ is about to squeeze. Everybody, watch out for this one. We might have an entry for it. Let's see if we're gonna break right now for it. There's a big buyer. Let me just lower the position here. There's a big buyer here. Let me just check. There's a big buyer coming for ARQQ, still trying to break the resistance. Come on, what you waiting for? This one's still below the 728. I'm gonna take this level. I'm trying to make it easier for you guys to know the resistance around the 729. The orange line always the resistance, guys, or where the short covering. You see, another test for the 60, and we don't break. Not ready yet. Good morning, Gobi. Good morning, brother. Tribal Tech, we already discussed ZVSA. We said the 729 is the resistance. Support is 580. Profit taken $8, 929, 1115. So it's not bad for this one. We did 34, so there's room to squeeze. The best one right now, there is a big chance for a good gain is the ARQQ, guys. This one could be a good dip to buy because already pulled back from the 80 cent until the 55. Huge pullback, guys. Huge. 30% pullback just in just 20 minutes. Imagine 20-minute pullback, 30%. Wow. Short started to cover, guys. That's why they made 30%, and now they started to cover a little by little. If we broke the 60s, mean they started to cover. So the 60 cent is the level to watch. Just put alert, guys. This level could be broken at any second. Still waiting. It is a waiting game, everybody. It is a waiting game. Today, I'm telling you guys, today we don't have an active market. It's not that active yet, but could change in any second. Any second could change. We've got TSLO is a bit expensive for a unicorn to be a unicorn for today. Yeah, TSL. We have two TSL. Why? Aha, 2x long Tesla. Oh, this is yeah, ETF for Tesla. Yeah, 24%. Nice, man. Nice. Leverage Tesla, guys. 24 for Tesla leveraged. Let us watch. ARQQ, guys, is preparing for a squeeze. Man, this one is preparing. Yes, any minutes, any second, this one will pump. Any second. Come on, we need to break the 60, guys. This is it. The break could be really fast. If it happened, could be really fast. I'm telling you, 59.99. This is madness. We didn't see the 60. We didn't see even the 60. I think ARQQ has been traded by bot, guys. The price didn't hit the 60, just 59.99. Gooby, still we waiting for a breakout, brother. So if we broke the 60, it should be good entry, but now we're still, as we discussed now, there is a bot trading ARQ right now. That, oh man, I think we have some activity right now. There is some movement. I think we're gonna break anytime. Anytime. We have 15 seconds for this candle to break. Otherwise, we'll turn to red. Yeah, 7, 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing much. Still 59.99. Yeah, there's bot trading ARQQ, guys. There is a bot. It's not a human who trading ARQQ right now. Nassim, yes, this month, yeah, it wasn't that good for the market. The other months was really better. So this is kind of the market, guys. It's like the weather. It's not every time sunny. It's impossible. The idea here to not force the trade. If you have or we have like a storm, you don't have to go to swim. This is how you could be differentiate from like beginner traders and professional traders. Professional traders just waiting for the right moment to trade, not every day, or you don't have to make money every day. You have to wait for the right moment. You see what's happened here? ARQQ going down again. IBRX, nothing much. This one is still below the resistance. And IVF. DJT is still looking all right, guys, even though it's pulling back 2%, but it's still near the 44.50, which is the resistance for today to break. PGY have a nice jump for today, but it pulled back. But we still have the bottom over the 5 cents. Target 10 cents to break. As a reminder, guys, Tesla is doing crazy good right now, 13%. We might go for Tesla, guys. We might do a trade for Tesla because the market is dead. So I might go to Tesla because Tesla doing all right, and we might snatch 1% here. Yeah, we might snatch 1%. So might wait a second. Let me just check the technical again. Yeah, still looking strong. We have the 205 to test, and now it's around the 190, 13%. We might have the test at least here, guys, around the 198 before a pullback. So we might have a little trade because the market is kind of sleeping right now. We don't have nothing to trade. So Tesla, we have support. We might have a pullback. If we have a pullback here, could be a really good entry as well, around the 180. Now, in the current situation, guys, we've got a target to go to for this week for Tesla is there around the 205 and the 198. This is the target, is the profit taken for Tesla, at least for this week, guys. Support 180. NEO is getting near the 479. This is the resistance. So EV stocks, guys, looking pretty nice for today. All of them are up, especially Tesla. Especially Tesla after hitting a nice bottom around the 140. Imagine in just a few days, we did almost 30%, guys, for Tesla. Yeah, now is the day that we might have another 100% for Tesla. Everybody going running after Tesla. Now, if we go back and see ARQQ, if we're doing something here, not yet. Okay, ARQQ, guys, going down. ARQQ, if you came late, it was good, guys. We spotted the reversal. We entered really quickly here around this reversal, and we exited below the 60 because we said the resistance. Now we're still waiting for another entry over the 60, but it didn't happen. So now either we wait until the 55 for re-entry, or waiting for a breakout from the 60, then taking profit around the 63, 67, 72. We have 3 profit taken. Let me just put the level so you don't see, you don't miss where you should take your profits. Yeah, we have those 3 profit taken if we broke. The rest is kind of undecided. Yeah, this one broke the flag, I think. You see, we have a flag here. We kind of broke it down, so it's kind of weak. This one is still looking good as long as we hold this current support, the $5.80. We might go there before the market opens, so it will be a good dip. And please, guys, if the price went down here, don't try to average down if the price continue to go down, because we might have a flush for this stock. So either we enter and exit quickly if we broke, and enter, then take profit quickly around the 655. The other strategy is waiting until we break the 744 target, as we can see here, 8, 9:30, 11:15. IBRX still looking good as long as we hold the 811. Resistance short where they're at their position is around the 60. So now we have 2 strategies the same. Either we buy over the support here, 811, or wait until we have a breakout to take profit around the 890 and the 988. ARQQ, already discussed it. AKAN. This one still looking shady because we don't have a current resistance, but we have a clear support and profit taking, which is the 1136 and the 17 and 25 cent target. And finally, we have a swing trade, guys. Tesla looking pretty nice for today, jumping almost 14% right now, getting near our ultimate profit taking for this week, which is the 198 and the 205. And this will give us another 6% at least for today and the rest of the week before a huge pullback. If we have a pullback for Tesla, we might have a good entry for the dip, give or take around over the 190, or even here, guys, for today at least the 182.40. This is will be a good dip. Let me just check how much we can pull back. Almost 4%. So if we have a 4% pullback would be pretty nice around the 182. The other pullback that we could be good to enter is the 157. So this is for Tesla, guys, a swing trade for you guys. Swing trade because the market is a bit slow, so that's why we trading Tesla just in case we don't want to miss anything. Brother, do we check if the week will be red? What you mean, if do we check? How do we check? What you mean about that? No, brother, no. You can't know for sure if the week will be red, or it depends on the news because sometimes we have a shift in the market. But usually the market or the news, the whole market doesn't care about particular stock. So if the stock have earnings or have major news, doesn't care if the market is red. It will go up anyway. You see right now Tesla is going crazy up despite the other stocks is red and kind of relatively don't do it nothing because Tesla have kind of news from Elon Musk about a new model. Okay, so that's why a lot of people running around buying before a confirmation for this news. So depends on news. It's not about the market is getting red or not. So we don't trade the SPY here. We're trading one stock at a time. So the market's kind of not important if the stock have major news. Nazim, if you have any way to find out the news before it come out, this is called insider trading, and this is illegal, brother. This is illegal, brother. We could go to prison. Even if I know, I would never tell you, brother. This is really risky business, and I would never do it actually because you could go to prison for it. SCBX. SCPX. I like my freedom, man. I like my freedom. I don't want to go to prison. SCPX, not good for now, at least. No, 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 no. I can't trade this one, man. Light on volume, a lot of manipulation. No, 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 no. Not good. Let us do a last very quick check. NHD, INHD. Nope. Still, this one it's pulling back up right now. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. BMRA is pulling back hard, 23%. Got shorted just around the $1. Oh man, this one is really interesting. Everybody, this one really interesting play, to be honest. Yeah, I like the trend. I'm gonna put it BMRA on the list. I'm gonna check the technical profit ticket after we check the market here. HWH. Hmm. Let me just check. I think we already traded this one. HWH, 18% jump. We have a target to break around the 253. Yeah, target for this one, guys, around the $3.44 and the 516. Okay, I'm gonna add another one, HWH, looking pretty nice for today. So we have new stocks to watch for today. We have HWH, already did the technical for it. We have BMR, we could have a good entry as well and profit taking for it around this level. First, the $1.04. The other level is the 117. The other level is the $1.32. So this one is not bad, guys. We have support is 79. Yes, this one could be really good. This one, okay. I think I put those two stocks on the swing trade list. Gonna take them out. BMRA, I'll take those two, bring them on the other list. Yeah, BMR, really risky here. IBRX, not good right now. It's kind of breaking the support. We have another support. I will give it a last chance for BMR or IBRX to reverse. $7.96, guys, should be the support. This is it for IBRX to reverse. Otherwise, I will buy the dip around 764. Yeah, around the 760. Yes, would be good to buy the dip there. You see, this one, it was the big jumper. Yeah, big jumper. So I'm gonna put the other bottom around the 719 just in case on the market open. If we want to buy the dip because it already jumped big time, guys. Yeah, we have level to buy IBRX at if we have a pullback, of course. Let me just check how much we could pull back because right now it's 10%, 5%. Okay, I'm gonna lower it again. 767, guys. This is the support that we should hold for today if we're gonna have a squeeze up over the 860. And the other support that we might buy at is the 720. If we broke the 720, no good for today. This means we're gonna flush until the 623. However, if we hold over this level, is mean perfect for today. Let me just even put a box here to make it really easy. So IBRX is still okay. ARQQ is still okay, guys. Is about to break here. AKAN, nice. AKAN, we might have a big buyer for it. So guys, this one is still okay. We did alert for it before this live streaming. 17 is still our target and the 2490 is still our target. AKAN still looking good because we held the 1139. Guys, those are the stocks for today. Let me just lower it. We have AKAN, ARQ, or ARQQ, guys. This one's still looking pretty nice. 55 is the stop loss or support if you want to enter right now. Breakout or another entry is over the 60. Profit taken is 62, 66, 72. IBRX, the same. We said the bottom for today that we should hold if we're gonna squeeze up is the 767 and 720. Target to break and confirming a resistant breakout is the 860. Target profit 895 and the 988. ZVSA not good because we broke this flag down. So this one, either we wait until we break the test the $5.80 to reverse and buy over this level, of course, or the better scenario or the better confirmation is breaking the 744, then take profit around the 8, 929 and the 1115. HWH, this one is still light on action. So this one would be pretty nice for today on the market open if we broke the 253 to go toward the $3.44 and the 516. But this is not the strongest one, so I'm going to put it on the maybe list with this one. Even BMR, I will put it on the maybe list. If we broke the $1 for today, we might have a really huge jump for it around the 105, 117, and 132. Okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna continue our hunt later on for those stocks. But guys, before we finish our live streaming here, just be on the focus and you put your alert for ARQQ just around or over the 60 or 61 for a breakout for this one, because after we break, we're gonna have a nice reversal because look at that. We have a huge dump and now we've got accumulation before huge jump up. So this is should be the top one because it's undervalued right now and we might have a big buyer around this dip for another huge jump up. Make sure to take profit really quickly because we might have another pump down once we test the 62 first. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you in a few minutes on our live streaming on YouTube.